directly we go through examples, multiple choice questions. Wherever it is necessary, the important formulas I will discuss. Okay. The first question is the ratio in which the points -1, 4 divides the line joining -7, 1 and 3, 6 is. That is, here it is given that x1, sorry, we can take xy, will take, this is -1, 4. Next point will define x1, y1, it is -7, 1. And next point x2, y2 equal to, it is 3, 6. The ratio it is given by the formula x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x. So x minus 1, x1 minus into minus plus 7 divided by x2 3 and x minus 1 minus into minus plus, so we get 6 by 4. If we simplify, we get 3 divided by 2, that is 3:2 is a right answer. 3:2 is a right answer. Therefore option D is a right answer. Option D is a right answer. We'll move to a next example. The point which divides the join of 1, 2 and 3, 4 externally in the ratio 1:1. Okay. Then lies in the first quadrant, lies in the second quadrant, lies in the third quadrant, cannot be found. So here the ratio is 1:1. So external division in the ratio 1:1 is not defined. Therefore right option is D, cannot be found. That is, D is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. The ratio in which the y-axis divides the line segment joining -4, 2 and 8, 3 is. Okay, here once again we'll define a ratio. So before we'll write it is a y-axis, right? First we'll take x1, y1 equal to -4, 2 and x2, y2, it is 8, 3. The ratio equal to, it is a y coordinate, x coordinate it will become a 0 in a previous formula, so we get minus x1 divided by x2. See, you can see here this x coordinate will become a 0 here, right? Okay, so we will get minus x1 divided by x2, it is a minus of x1, so minus 4, and x2 it is a 8, so minus into minus plus 4 divided by 8, so 4 ones are 4 twos are 1 by 2 is the answer. Therefore right option is 1:2, that is A is a right option. A is a right option. Okay. Example number 4. The ratio in which x-axis divides the line segment joining 3, 6 and 12, -3 is. We'll write A equal to, first point x1, y1 is given by 3, 6. Next, the point B, x2, y2 is defined by, it is a 12, -3. Further, ratio in the x-axis. Okay, that is y coordinate, we have to take it 0, therefore we get it as, okay, x axis divides AB is given by minus y1 by y2. So minus as it is, y1 it is a 6 divided by y2 minus 3. If you simplify, we get it as a 2, or else we can write 2 by 1, that is 2:1 is a ratio. So option A, 2:1 is a correct answer. Okay. Next example, the ratio in which minus 3, 4 divides the line joining 1, 2 and 7, minus 1 is. Okay. Here we'll define first point P. It is a xy minus 3, 4. Point A, x1, y1, it is 1, 2, and point B, it is x2, y2, it is 7, minus 1. Now P divides AB in the ratio L divided by M is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x. Okay, so we'll substitute x value x1, x2 and x here on simplifying, or else we'll write it that minus 3 x1 minus 1, okay, x2 7 minus x plus 3, we get minus 4 divided by 10, or else it is minus 2 divided by 5. So here it is a negative number, therefore it is externally. So 2:5. It is a 2:5. It is therefore option A, 2:5. Externally, it will cut the line AB over here. Okay. Next example, the points A, 2A, minus 2, 6 and 3, 1 are collinear, then A equal to, okay, here we will take a points as a ABC. Now A is A, 2A, B equal to minus 2, 6, C equal to 3, 1. They are collinear. If they are collinear, then we have to find slope of AB equal to slope of BC. Okay. Slope of BC we have to calculate, and then it is a collinear. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. Using that, we will calculate the value of A. Slope of AB, it is here y coordinate minus y coordinate, 2A minus 6. Similarly, x coordinate minus x coordinate, A minus into minus plus 2. Now slope of BC, y coordinate minus y coordinate, 6 minus 1, and x coordinate minus x coordinate, minus 2 minus 3. Okay, so simplification is, it is a LHS as it is. Okay, LHS as it is. RHS, it is a 6 minus 1, 5, 5 by minus 5, it is a minus 1. Okay, transport this to a RHS, 2A minus 6 equal to minus 1 into a plus 2. Okay, so if we simplify this, we get a value as 4 divided by 3. A value as 4 divided by 3. Therefore, option B, 4 by 3. Yes, it is a right answer. We'll move to our next example. It is a determinant consisting x1 y11, x2 y21, x3 y31 equal to 0 is the condition that the points xi, yi, it takes the values 1, 2, 3. That is, I can take that point as a equal to, it takes 1, 2, 3 value, so I can write x1, y1. Next, B, it is x2, y2. Then C, x3, y3. Then these value will substitute. Yes. So also it is a given x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1, x3, y3 1 equal to 0. Okay, so this we have determinant. So we'll make a maximum number of zeros and we'll expand the determinant. So we'll perform row 2 changes to row 2 minus row 3. That is, this place will become 0. Okay, and row 3 changes to row 3 minus row 1 it is. Okay, yes, this elementary operation will perform in this particular determinant here. So we get x1, y1 1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 0. It is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1 0 equal to 0. If we expand it and simplify, we get the solution as y3 minus y1 divided by x3 minus y1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus, it is x1. So this is nothing but it is a slope of AC is equal to slope of AB. Therefore, A, B, C are collinear. Collinear. This is a condition of a collinear. That is, slope of AC equal to slope of AB. Then ABC are collinear. We'll check which is a right option. See here, we observe that option B are collinear. Therefore, option B, they are collinear, is a right answer here. Okay, like this we have to simplify this. Okay, we'll move next example. The value of lambda for which the lines 3x plus 4y equal to 5, 5x plus 4y equal to 4, and lambda x plus 4y equal to 6 meet at a point is. So here we use a determinant notation. So here it is 3, 4. We transport this equation to LHS, minus 5 equal to 0. So minus 5. We'll write it directly. Next, similarly, next equation, it is a 5, 4, minus 4. Next, lambda 4 minus 6. This is equated to 0. Then we'll assign plus, minus, and a plus sign. Okay. So if we expand this, we get 3 into plus 3 into minus 24 plus 16. Next minus 4 into minus 30 plus 4 lambda. Then minus 5 into 20 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Okay, if we simplify this equation, okay, and we get the lambda value, it is a lambda equal to 1. Therefore option B, lambda equal to 1, is a right answer. Okay, next question, area of the parallelogram formed by the lines. So we have 4 equations. For this I use a one note. So you have to remember this: a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. Next a1x plus b1y plus d1 equal to 0. Next a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Next a2x plus b2y plus d2 equal to 0. We observe that these two equations are parallel, these two are parallel. Then this perpendicular condition is given by d1 minus c1. Okay, this is a modulus, and d2 minus c2 whole divided by a1 b2 and a2 b1 in a modulus notation. This is a c here. So we can see this equation we can compare it here like this. On comparing and simplifying, we can find a area here. Okay, very simple. We get mod of 3a minus a minus 2a plus a whole divided by minus 9 plus 16. It is a modulus way. So mod of this, if we simplify, we get 2a square divided by 7 is the answer. So it is a 2a square by 7 is the answer. Therefore option C, 2a square by 7, is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Example number 10. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 3, minus 3, 0 and 3, 0. The coordinates of its orthocenter are, okay, you have to find orthocenter. That must be, it is a right angle triangle. Excuse me. So first we'll write these points. First point we'll take it as a 0, 3, B minus 3, 0 and C 3, sorry. We'll take these points here, right? Okay, just a minute, we have skipped one question. Yes, we'll take A here. Okay, we'll erase this. First we'll solve example number 10. We'll write point A as 0, 3, B minus 3, 0, C 3, 0. Okay. Now slope of AB will calculate. Slope of AB equal to, it is y coordinate difference and x coordinate difference. So 3 by 3 we get it 1. Similarly, slope of BC equal to, it is a big x coordinate difference minus y coordinate difference, we get it as a 0, right? Similarly, next slope of AC, we get 3 divided by minus 3, answer is minus 1. We observe that this is a one slope, this is another slope here, so their multiplication minus 1, m1 into m2, it is a minus 1. Okay, so it is a orthocenter at 0, 3 here. That is option C is a right answer. Okay, yes, like this we have to calculate. Reason is wherever it is that is 0, 3. Okay, we get a relation satisfies m1 m2 equal to minus 1. Therefore, it is right angled at the point A. That is a orthocenter. Right. We move to our next example. Example number 11. The fourth vertex of the square formed by a points 2, 1, 4, 3, minus 2, 5 is. Okay. So we will go through one note. The fourth vertex of a square formed by the 3 points is given by the expression D equal to A minus B plus C. This is an important note. You have to remember this. So first point I take it as a A, it is a 2, 1. Second point B, it is a 4, 3. Third point it is a C, it is minus 2, 5. Okay, so you have to substitute in a formula D equal to A minus B plus C. Okay. So D equal to, first we will take a first coordinate 2, minus 4 and minus 2, like this. Okay, 2, minus 4, minus 2. And next we will take a y coordinate. It is 1 minus 3 plus 5 it is. Okay, so we get a D equal to, it is on simplifying we get minus 4 and 3, minus 4 and 3. So D equal to minus 4 and 3 is a right answer. So option C is a right answer. Using this trick we can simplify this one. So what we have done, x coordinate we have added, subtracted, added in a ABC, and y coordinate added, subtracted, added here. Like this we have to calculate the fourth coordinate here. Next, example number 12. 3 vertices of a parallelogram taken in order are, that is we will take A equal to minus 1, minus 6, B equal to, it is 2, minus 5, C equal to 7, 2. The fourth vertex is, okay, so once again we have to remember this trick. D equal to A minus B plus C. Okay, so D equal to A is minus 1, B is minus 2, C is 7. Okay, like this, x coordinate. Then y coordinate minus 6, plus 5, then plus 2. D equal to, it is 4, 1, 4, 1. So option D 4, 1 is a right answer here. Right answer. Okay, we'll move to our next example. Example number 13. The vertices of a triangle are 0, 0, 3, 0 and 0, 4. Its ortho center is at, okay. So in a triangle, so we'll take a 0, 0 origin, we take it as a O of 0, 0. Then next the point A, it is a 3, 0 and point B of 0, 4. Okay, so clearly we observe that O is the origin. So this is like y coordinate is 0, the point A, it is on x-axis. X coordinate is 0, this is a point on y-axis. Then this is a origin. See, here it will make a 90 degree. Therefore, we can justify that orthocenter is origin. It is a 0, 0 because O, its coordinate is 0, 0. Therefore, option A, 0, 0 is a right answer. Okay, we'll move to a next example. Example number 14. The points 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 0, h are the vertices of an equilateral triangle. If h greater than 0, then the value of h is. Okay, so we'll take a coordinates. So it is x1, y1 equal to 3, 2. Then x2, y2 equal to minus 3, 2. And next x3, y3 equal to, it is a 0, h it is. Then third vertex is given by the formula. It is x1 plus x2 plus or minus root 3 y1 minus y2. Similarly, one more, y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2, x1 minus x2. So we have to write one more coordinate, that is second y coordinate. It is given by y1 plus y2 minus or plus root 3 x1 minus x2, and whole divided by, here it is divided by 2 and here also it is divided by 2 it is. Okay, so if you substitute x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3 in this expression, we get 0 plus or minus 0 divided by 2. Next 4 plus or minus, it is a minus or plus, it is 6 root 3 divided by 2. So we will get a coordinate as 0, 2 minus or plus root 3 is a right answer. So in this class we have discussed about coordinate geometry. In a next session also the same concept will continue. So thank you for watching once again. Thank you everyone.